Hey guys, so let's quickly compare the top specs of the Doogee S200 with that of the S200X. It's just a specs comparison to point out the differences between both 5G rugged phones. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's quickly compare the top specs of both 5G devices. So these are the specs of both 5G rugged phones compared side by side. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.